Okay. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. First of all, welcome back to you all. Okay, so let's resume our exciting journey. So get ready for that journey. Today, inshallah, we will discuss summer vacation homework. So are you ready, students, for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. We will start from the filling the blanks. And the first one is, guard cells controls the activity of dash. Guard cells controls the activity of dash. Ali Zishan will answer this.
Sir, Stromata.
Yes, it's stromata. Very good, very nice. The second one is, the root cap protects the dash of the root. Yes, who will answer this? Come on, raise your hands. Rayan Sultan.
Root tip.
Yes, the tip of the root. Exactly. Okay, it will protect the tip of the root. Okay, now come towards the third one. The heat travels as a tiny electromagnetic waves in the form of dash waves. Yes, who will tell me about this?
Sir,
Sir,
may I?
Yes, you can. Muhammad
Sir,
Hussain. Muhammad Hussain will answer this.
sir, infrared waves.
In the form of, yes, come on.
Sir, infrared waves.
Very nice, very good. In the form of the infrared waves. Okay, so infrared is the word that will come there. Okay, now come towards the fourth part of this question. Dash protects the flower when it is in buds. Yes, that protects the flowers when it is in buds. Ali Zishan will answer this.
Yes, sir, sepals.
Sepals protect the flower when it is in buds. Very good, very nice. So sepal will come there. The fifth one is, dash is a sweet liquid which attracts the insects. Come on, raise your hands. Yes, except Ali Zishan. Yes, raise your hands. Those students who want to give the answer. Okay, Fahad Murtaza will answer this. Yes, come on, Fahad. Yes.
Nectar.
What? Nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid which attracts the insects. Okay, nectar is a sweet liquid which attracts the insects. Now come towards the sixth one. J.J. Thomson suggested that there were particles even dash than atoms. I will ask
May
this
I?
question from Fahad Murtaza. Yes, Fahad Murtaza, you can answer, please.
J.J. Thomson suggested that there were particles even smaller than atoms.
Smaller, yes, smaller is the word that will come there. Okay, so smaller than atoms. Okay. Now come towards the seventh part. Be is a chemical symbol of dash. Yes, Be is a chemical symbol of dash. Who will answer this? I will ask from Muhammad Riyan. Muhammad Riyan will answer this.
Beryllium. Beryllium.
Yes, beryllium. Be is the symbol of beryllium. Be is the symbol of beryllium. Okay. Come towards the eighth part. The second shells can hold a maximum of dash electrons. And I will ask this question from Riyan Sultan. Riyan Sultan will
Sir,
answer.
8.
The second shells can hold a maximum of 8 electrons. Very good. Okay. Now come towards the ninth one. The sun is dash millions kilometers away from the earth. Yes, beta.
Sir, may I? Ali Zishan. Sir,
Ihtisham. Yes, Ihtisham will answer this. Yes, come on.
sir,
Ji beta, ji.
sir, ये लिखने.
This is your summer vacation work, beta. This is your summer vacation work.
The sun is 150 million kilometers away.
Very good. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, come towards the 10th one. Mass number will equals to dash plus number of neutrons. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Mass,
Sir, may I?
yes, you
Sir,
can.
may I,
Please.
Fahad?
Fahad Murtaza, yes.
Mass number is equal to uh, proton, number of protons.
Well, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Very good. Okay, now come towards the 11th one. In an atom, number of protons are equals to number of dash. I will ask this question from Ali Zishan. Ali
Yes,
Zishan will
sir.
answer this.
In an atom number of protons are equal of
Electrons.
electrons. Yes.
Number of protons will equals to number of electrons. Okay. Okay. Ernest Rutherford fixed a beam of positive particles against the dash foil. And I will ask
Sir, may I?
from
Sir, may I?
Fahad Murtaza will answer this. Yes.
Against the gold foil.
Gold foil. Yes. Gold will come there. Okay. Come towards the 13th part. Target cells gives dash to the plant. And I will ask this question from Abdul Basit will answer this. Abdul Basit, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a target cells gives.
Target cell gave
Yes.
that to the plant.
What will come there? Yes.
Sir, may I tell? Sir, may I go
Okay.
to the
You can
Sir, sport.
support to the plant. Yes, support to the plant. Target cells give support to the plant. Okay. Now come towards the next one. The Rutherford Bohr atomic model helps us to explain dash. Yes, the
Sir, may I
Rutherford
can-
Bohr atomic model helps us to explain dash. Yes, Rayan Sultan will answer this.
periodic table.
Yeah, very good. Periodic table. They will explain or they will help to explain periodic table. Now come towards the next one. Heat can be carried by dash in liquid and gases. And I will ask this question from Muhammad Rayan.
Sir, convection.
Convection. Yes, by convection, heat can be carried by liquid and gases. Okay, now come towards the next question, and that is right, true or false.
Sir, can you bring the back slide once, please?
Okay.
Now, sir, you can go in.
Okay, so the first one is in spring, maximum sugar goes to root. Yes, it's true or false. Muhammad Hussain will answer this question. Yes, Muhammad Hussain.
Sir, 1 minute.
In spring, maximum sugar goes to the roots. Is it true or false? Muhammad Hussain.
Sir,
Abdul Basit.
Sir, may I?
Yes, you can.
Sir, false.
It's a false statement. Okay, in spring, maximum sugar goes to the fruit. Okay, on a humid day, transpiration will be faster. Is it true or false? And I will ask this question from Fahad Murtaza.
Yes, sir.
Is it true
Yes,
or
sir.
false?
On a humid day, one.
Yeah, on a humid day, transpiration will be faster.
True.
No, it's a false statement, beta. Okay, now come towards the third one. Photosynthetic tissues are mostly found in leaves. Yes, and I will ask.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Noman Khan. Yes, very good, Noman. Yes,
Sir, true.
it's
Sir,
a
Sir,
True.
it's a true statement. Yes, very good. It's a true
Yes.
statement. GG.
आज की पीरियड में हम सारा काम वो समर वेकेशन का करेंगे ना, जो आपने हमें भेजा था।
जी जी.
ओके सर।
Okay. Come towards the fourth one. The unit of heat is joule or kilojoules. Is it true or false?
सर मेटल
True.
Yes, Ali Zishan.
Sir, may
True. Okay. In vacuum blast, the silver lining of the valves reduces heat loss by radiation. Is it true or false? I will
Sir,
ask
may
from
I-
Muhammad Rayan.
it is true.
It's a true statement. Okay. Stamen is the male part of the flower.
Sir, may I can answer?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir, can I say?
Okay. Hosema will answer this. Yes, Hosema.
Yes, sir, true.
It's a true statement. Very good. Okay, the flow of water in the xylem from roots to leaves is called the transpiration stream. Is it true or false? And I will ask this question from Ali Zishan. Yes.
Yes sir, it is true.
Okay, it's a true statement. Molecules can be represented by the chemical formula. Is it true or false? Rayan will answer this. Muhammad Rayan. Molecules can be represented by a chemical formula. Rayan,
Yes sir, true.
is it? Okay, it's a true statement. Good. Flaccid cells gives no support and plants wilts. Muhammad Hussain will answer this. Muhammad Hussain.
True.
Flaccid cells gives no support to the plant, so it's a true statement. Silver surfaces are poor absorbers, and I will ask this from Numan Khan.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
True.
very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now come towards the multiple choice questions. Chemical symbols of magnesium is which one? A, B, C, or D? Who will tell me?
Sir,
Rayan Sultan will answer.
sir, number A.
A is the correct option. Yes. Capital M and small g is the symbol of magnesium. The second one is vascular bundles are found in roots, leaves, stems, and all of them.
C.
Who will answer
C.
this? Yes.
C.
D, all of them. Vascular bundles are found all of them. Okay. Come towards the third part. Choose the conductor for copper, wool, and glass. Which one is conductor?
Copper.
Sir, copper.
B, copper is the correct one. Yes, copper is a conductor.
Yes, protects the
And
growing
now come towards
cells
the
of
fourth part. A dash
Sir, may I-
protects
sir,
the
may
growing
I-
cells of the root. Yes, Abdul Wahab.
copper.
Abdul Wahid.
Sir, root cap.
Yes,
Root cap.
very good. Very nice. Okay.
Particle with negative charge.
Now come towards the fifth one. Choose the particles with negative charge. Electron, proton,
may I-
neutron.
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Electron is the correct one. Yes. Okay, the sixth part is the first shells can be held up to maximum dash electrons. 2, 8, 1, and 18.
Sir, may I can answer?
Yes, you can.
Sir, A, number 2. Number
2.
A.
Yes, 2 electrons are occupied by the first shell. Okay. The atomic number of hydrogen is 4, 5, 8, and 1.
Sir, 1.
1. Yes, 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen.
Protects
Okay.
the flowers when it is.
Dash protects the flowers when it is in the bud. Sepal, petals, carpel, and stigma.
Sir, petal.
No, A is the correct one.
Petals.
Sepal is the correct answer. Okay, number of electrons in first shell is
Sir, 2.
2. Yes, very good. D is the correct option. And the last one is dash is responsible for transpiration of food in plants.
Phloem.
And stroma.
Phloem, sir, phloem.
Number
Phloem is the
D.
correct answer. Phloem is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, now come towards matching the statements. Thompson's discovered the existence of dash.
Subatomic particles.
Subatomic particles. So you have to write C over there in front of A. Okay. The second one is good emitter of radiations are also good
Absorbers.
Absorber.
absorbers. So you have to write B in front of 2.
Want to make
Different tissues combines to make dash.
An organ.
an
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 organ.
organ.
organ. You have to write
An
E
organ.
in front of 3. Very good. Okay. Ernest Rutherford discovered a dense dash.
Positively charged
nucleus.
nucleus.
Yes, positively charged nucleus.
sir,
So you
A.
have to write A in front of 4. And the last one is the temperature at which particle stops moving is called
Absolute zero.
absolute zero. So you have to write
Absolute
D
zero.
in front of 5. Okay. Now label the diagram. A is representing what part of the vacuum flask?
Stopper.
Yes, A is representing stopper.
Plastic
B is
stop.
And B is gap with air in
vacuum. B is representing vacuum. Yes. C and D are the same things. C represents what?
silver
Silver.
surface.
Shiny
Okay,
surface.
glass or steel walls. And D is also representing the same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now come towards the next diagram. This diagram, A is representing what?
Sir, the root.
Vascular band.
Yes, A is representing vascular bundles. B is representing
Xylem.
xylem. C is representing
Phloem.
phloem.
Root,
Okay, D is representing
root hairs.
Root hair.
hairs. E is representing
Root cap.
root. E is representing root cap, not root tip. And F is representing
Root tip.
Root tip.
brain tip
Root
or
tip.
root tip. Yes. Okay. Okay, now come towards the next diagram. Label the given diagram. Okay. So A is representing what?
Cuticle.
Cuticle.
Cuticle. B is representing
Mesophase.
Sir, there is
Sir,
too
Minhas
much background
Khan.
noise.
Minhas
okay,
Khan.
photosynthetic tissues.
Sir, tell Minhas
Minhas,
Khan
please
to
mute yourself. Minhas, a lot of noise is coming from your side. Minhas. Okay, C is representing what?
stoma.
Stoma.
Stroma.
Stoma.
Okay.
Sir, stoma is the singular form of stomata, right?
Yes, exactly. Stromata is a plural and singular form is stroma. Okay, now differentiate between a heat and temperature. Who will differentiate?
Sir, Ali Zishan, may I?
Yes, Ali Zishan, you can.
Yes, sir. Heat is transfer of energy from a higher temperature to the lower temperature, and temperature is something that tells how hot or cold something is.
Very good, very nice. The second question is what happens to particles during evaporation, freezing, and boiling? Who will explain this? Yes, Fahad Murtaza, are you explain? Are you able to explain? Fahad Murtaza.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can please.
Okay.
What happens to the particles during evaporation, freezing, and boiling? Anybody else who have?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in evaporation, the particles move faster and break free, and in freezing, they are stuck with each other and cannot move. In boiling, the liquid particles start to move faster.
Okay, very good. Come towards the third question, and the answer is already there. State the function of the roots and stems. So the function of the root is absorb water and minerals from the soil and conduct them to stem. Okay, and the function of the stem is conduct water and minerals to leaves to other parts of the leaves to other parts for photosynthesis.
Yes, sir.
Come towards the fourth question. What is the role of the vascular bundle? Yes, who will answer this? Rayan Sultan, are you able to answer this question?
Sir, it is easy.
जी बेटा.
Sir, the role of vascular bundle is they take water and minerals from one part of the plant to the other part.
Okay, very good. So vascular bundles consist of the xylem and phloem. And what is the function of the xylem and phloem? That they can transport it, food, prepare food and water and minerals from along the different parts of the plant. Okay, how does the temperature and humidity affect the speed of transpiration? Yes, come on. Who will explain this? How does the temperature and humidity affects the speed of transpiration?
Sir, the humidity affects
Yes.
the situation because the
High temperature and less humidity in the air will increase the rate of evaporation of water from plant body, which affects the speed of transpiration. Okay, what was the idea of John Dalton about atom?
Sir, may I, Fahad?
Yes, Fahad Murtaza. Yes,
Dalton had the idea that everything is made of particles which could not be broken down into anything smaller.
very good. And he called these particles atom.
Atoms.
Okay. Now come towards the next question. Describe the J.J. Thomson atomic model briefly. Who will?
Sir, may I listen?
Yes, Ali Zishan.
Briefly.
You can
Sir,
please.
the J.J. Thomson atomic model was that the material was positively charged and with tiny negatively charged electrons.
Okay, okay. So he said that the central or the core of the atom is positively charged. Okay, and that is the hardest part of the atom, and the negatively charged particles are scattered throughout the atom. Okay, why do the firefighters enter smoke-filled room by crawling?
Firefighter enter smoke-filled rooms by crawling on the floor. This is because smoke rises up convection up to the ceiling.
Very good, very nice. Come towards the next one. Differentiate between the atomic number and mass number. Very
Sir,
easy question.
may I tell?
Yes.
The atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, and mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons.
Very good. So atomic number is the number of protons present in the atom, and mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons. Why should we prefer to wear white colors to black in summer season?
Sir, may I?
Noman. Yes.
Because white are poor absorbers of heat and blacks are good absorbers of heat.
Very good. Because the white surfaces are poor absorber of heat radiations, and the blacks are the good absorbers of heat radiation. Okay. Now come towards the next question. Describe how solar panels warm up the water flowing in the pipes.
Sir, may I try?
Yes, you can please.
Sir, there is a solar panel in front of the pipes. When the water goes through the pipe, the solar panel, the heat from solar panel heats the water, and the water become hot.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, now come towards the next question. What is the role of the carpel and stamen in plants? Yes, who will explain this?
Sir,
Yes.
the carpel, the role of the carpel is they are
Yes.
female reproductive organ.
Give it up. Okay, so carpel is the female part of the flowers and produce the egg cells, and the stamen in the male part of the plants and produces pollen grains. Okay, now come towards the next question. Read briefly the service of Neil Bohr regarding atomic model?
Yes.
Yes. Fahad Murtaza, will you explain this?
Okay, sir. Mm, mm,
Yes.
Niels Bohr and Rutherford developed the atomic model further by suggesting that electrons orbit the nucleus at high speed in fixed orbits.
Okay. And this model helps to explain the periodic table. Okay. What is the reason of wilting of plant?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, you can, please.
Sir, the reason of wilting of a plant is that the plant cells do not get much water and they get in the plant wilts.
जी बेटा जी
ये भी समर वेकेशन
जी these are also included in your summer vacation. Okay, now come towards the 15th question. Define target cells and placid cells. A very easy question.
Sir, again, may I?
Yes, Ali Zishan.
Yes. Target cells are those cells which have much water and can give support to plants, but and flaccid cells do not have much water and cannot give support to plants.
Okay, so target cells are water-rich cells, and placid cells are water-lost cells. Okay, in simple words. Okay, describe the distribution of electron in the first three orbits. Yes. Fahad Murtaza, will you answer this? Muhammad Rayan.
Electron, neutron,
Yes, sir.
proton.
Yes, in first orbit, the atom, there are 2 electrons. In second, there are 8 electrons. And in third, there are 18 electrons altogether. Okay, now come towards the 17th question. What is the importance of chemical symbol?
Sir, the importance of chemical symbols are that they can be recognized all over the world by every scientist.
Okay, very good. Define osmosis.
Osmosis,
Yes, osmosis. What is osmosis? Ji beta.
Osmosis is a special kind of diffusion can describe the movement of any kind of molecules.
Yes, osmosis is a special kind of diffusion, and it represents that the water molecules will move from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, name the parts of the carpel and stamens.
yes, sir. The parts of the carpel are stigmas, ovary, ovules, and style, and
Yes,
the stamen, filament, and anther.
very good. Why do the helium-filled balloons float upwards?
Sir, may I again?
Yes,
Sir, the helium-filled balloons float upwards because the helium is lighter than air.
yes, exactly, because the helium is lighter than the air. So this is all about your summer vacation homework. I hope so that you have to complete all of your work now.
Yes, sir.